India is changing is an incomplete statement until like never before is added. Emerging as the fifth fastest growing economy globally, ensuring inclusive growth and sustainable prosperity. But what has evolved? An environment fostering fresh rounds of capital expenditure and a deleveraged corporate sector. Proactive government measures, including policy and structural reforms. Improved ease of doing business, competitive corporate tax rates, PLI schemes, import substitution, and initiatives to boost domestic manufacturing. Visionary initiatives like Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India, supported by a growing working age population. Higher tax collections driving government-led capital expenditure, ultimately boosting manufacturing. This sets the stage for a manufacturing revolution characterized by supply-side consolidation. On the other hand, there are factors such as a growing working-age population, rising middle class, and per capita income reaching an inflection point. These factors contribute to increased demand, expanding the consumer base for various products. Introducing Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund. Opportunities across market caps by aiming to invest in such companies which are beneficiaries of thriving domestic demand, favorable policy reforms, robust private sector, and alternative supply chain. This presents an opportunity for investors with a high-risk appetite to benefit from India's manufacturing growth story. We believe there's no better time to invest in this theme, given the economy's readiness for demand and supply dynamics. India stands at the crossroads of economic transformation. Are you ready to be a part of India's transformation story? Invest in Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.